Welcome everyone, I'm Alison with Continental Bead Suppliers. Thank you so much for joining me. Our Paperclip Cable Chain Earrings are perfect just as they are. But really, who can resist adding just a little something to them? I know I can't. We'll show you the basics with our gorgeous Splash of Turquoise. Perfect for a summer day. And here is another design option. Perfect for a bride on her special day. We hope you have fun creating these with your very own splash. If you do, don't forget to tag us. We'd love to see you. So let's begin. The supply list for splash earrings is pretty basic. You will need 2 of the 14 by 5mm Paperclip Cable Chain Earrings. The part number is KE-28. They are sold individually, but they do include the earnut. We'll be using 28mm 18 gauge jump rings. The part number is J/R8. 60 of the size 6 Japanese seed beads. We prefer to use this Japanese over the Czech beads here for their consistency and ease of placement onto the jump rings. 2 pairs of flat nose pliers. For the design option of the white earrings, you would need to add 2 head pins. Part number is H/P2. These are 2-inch 20 gauge head pins and 2 of the 8mm beads. There are so many colour options for creating these splash earrings. The one suggestion I would have is if you're using a mixture of colours like I have here, I would possibly suggest composing them with the darkest colour choice, perhaps in the centre. It sort of adds a bit of visual interest having the darker one as an anchor point as it goes down the drape of different colours here. So we're going to begin by taking one of the 8mm rings and opening it up. We'll add 3 of the size 6 beads onto the jump ring, and I'm going to put the darker colour choice in the centre, and then add this jump ring onto the lower link of the earrings. So just add that on there and then close this up. Just like that. So that's the first one on. We're going to add another one to this same link. So again, open another jump ring. Three more size 6 seeds, again with the darker one in the center, and onto the same lower link of the earring. Then we're going to head up to the second link and add 2 more rings. So each time we move up a link, one of the jump rings will be added to the front of the link and the second one will be added to the back. So they will be separated by the link below them. So let me show you that. So that's going to go on here. It doesn't matter if you start on the front or the back with it, but just remember to do the opposite side when you move on to the second one. So you can see that one is sitting on the back of the link, so the next one's going to go on this side. Oops. Just like that, just make sure everything is nice and flush. So here we've got the beginnings of this. Now we're just going to continue our way up to the top here, and I'll come back when I've put these ones on. So here we are coming to the last jump ring that should be added. So just open this up. This will go on to complete this last link. And here we have Splash earrings. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel. As always, we love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.